What's up everyone, it's Sufan from TechCycle, and in this video we are going to uninstall Kali Nethunter. Yeah, it's very sad. If you're like, why the heck I installed this Kali and or if you're facing a storage problem or if you're facing Ubuntu in sort of things and you want to uninstall this Kali Nethunter, or you are not using this Kali Nethunter and you want to uninstall this Kali Nethunter, you may be in a trouble sometimes. So this guide is going to help you guys. It is going to be as easy as I can make. So let's begin to the uninstallation. And that's all. Okay. Wait. Before jumping to the uninstallation, just a disclaimer that this is only for the magisk module. That is, if you have followed my guide about installing this Kali Nethunter as a magisk module, this is only for you guys, and you don't need to flash the stock ROM for this uninstallation. So, also the disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose, and I will not be responsible for anything happen to your device. So, let's begin to the installation. So, on your Android, open the Nethunter app. From there, choose the Kali root menu and choose remove root. Just choose this reboot and remove root. So it's going to reboot. I'm going to just. So the device has rebooted. I have removed the root. So after that, let's go to magisk manager and choose the modules and just delete this. It is going to prompt you to reboot also. So do that. For this tutorial purpose, I will just reboot after showing guys fully things. So after that, just uninstall this Nethunter app and every other sort of apps. That is, you can find a lot of apps. I will just show you guys. Uninstall this showdown router keygen. There will be something like here. No. And this Nethunter terminal, Nethunter VNC, and every Nethunter app, just uninstall that. Uninstall every Nethunter app that is installed while installing this blue enemy and every sort of things. So after that, just open your root explorer or any file explorer. Go to your internal storage directory and choose. Wait, okay, I found out. Yes, this NLC files. Just use that and delete that. Okay, so now it has been uninstalled completely. So if you want to make sure that it is uninstalled completely, just go to your data section, that is /data, go to local and choose this NS system. Just delete that. I think my CS root is not uninstalled, so just choose that and delete that. This is going to take some time. It is because it's about 1 GB, I think so. So it is going to take a lot of time. So just do that and you have uninstalled this Kali Nethunter completely. So this is how you uninstall Kali Nethunter from your Android device. If you are thinking like, so fine, why the heck are you uninstalling this Kali Nethunter? I am trying to install this Cosmic OS, which is based on Android Oreo, and I am trying to do a review on that. So I need to uninstall this Nethunter and this Resurrection Remix. So I will be moving to Cosmic OS. That's why I'm doing this video and uninstalling this. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you think this video sucks, hit the dislike button and let me know so I can improve my contents. And if you got suggestion for another videos like this or anything else, just comment down below, or you can do that on Twitter, Facebook or Google+. Link will be in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.